Yaheetech sent me their industrial end tables, so let's check them out. So here's everything that comes in the box. We're gonna have the instruction manual, some hardware, the wooden tops, and the legs and support pieces. All right, so first up, I'm gonna move these wooden pieces to the side, and we're gonna focus on the legs here. And it says to put in the feet at the bottom, which is gonna be in this baggie. And this is what the feet look like. So these are just gonna be screwed in on the legs, just like so. And same thing on this other one. And now it's time to attach these support pieces to this. And we're gonna be using these long bolts in bag B. And when screwing everything in, make sure that these holes are facing upwards. All right, so now it's time to attach the shelves. And I'm gonna start with shelf number 4, which goes right here in the middle. And we're gonna be using these screws. And to tighten them up, I'm using the small Allen wrench that it comes with. Just like that. And now I can flip this upside down and do the same thing right over here. Just like that. And now it's time to put the top piece. And to make it easier, I'm just gonna screw it in from the bottom, and we're gonna be using the small A bolts. And then this can be flipped over, and there's one of them. And then after about 15 minutes, I was able to get the other one done too. So here's what they look like. They look very nice, and now let me find a space for them. So I placed one over here and one over here in my bedroom because I already have a table, a nightstand over there. So these end tables can also just be used basically as nightstands too. They're gonna be 3 different tiers, and they look very solid and also give it a rustic look. And because my bedroom already has like the brown all over, minus that one over there, it fits nicely with it. And here we could take a closer look. The sturdy frame. And then all the way at the bottom are those plastic feet. And if for some reason your floor isn't level, you know, like mine isn't, I can always just like that. And then when I go to touch it all around, it's not wobbling like it was before. Now, one thing to note is that these does have the adhesive, so I took them off so you can't really see them anywhere. But I think on the other end table, right here, like the adhesive was stuck a little bit more. Or actually, maybe it was on this table. It's just a little hard to see. Yeah, right there. Yeah, it is right here. So you can't really see much, but right there, the adhesive is still there. So I'd recommend when building it to build it so the adhesive is facing downwards, so that isn't there. And if it is there, then I usually just use Gooby Gone, and that gets rid of this real easily. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Yaheetech Industrial End Tables.